Hey wine lovers! Welcome back to our channel where we uncork the secrets of wine. Today, we're unraveling the mystery behind that little phrase you see on US wine bottles. Contains sulfites. Why is it there? And what does it mean for you? Grab a glass and let's get started. So, what exactly are sulfites? Sulfites are sulfur-based compounds that include sulfur dioxide, SO2, and various salts like sodium bisulfite and potassium metabisulfite. These compounds have been used for centuries as preservatives in food and drinks, including wine. They help prevent oxidation and bacterial growth, keeping our wine fresh and flavorful. Sulfites have been used in winemaking for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Romans added sulfur to their wines to prevent spoilage and keep their wines fresh. So, sulfites aren't a modern invention. They're a tried and true method for preserving wine. Before the 1970s, sulfites were used freely in food and beverages, including wine. There were no specific regulations requiring winemakers to disclose their use. It was all good until the salad bar boom. In the 1960s and 70s, salad bars became all the rage. To keep those veggies looking fresh and crisp, restaurants used sulfites. But there was a catch. Sulfites can trigger severe allergic reactions in some people, especially those with asthma. The FDA started getting reports of people experiencing hives, difficulty breathing, and even anaphylactic shock after eating at salad bars. The term salad bar syndrome emerged to describe these reactions. It highlighted how even seemingly harmless food items could pose serious health risks for sulfite-sensitive individuals. The FDA took these reports seriously and began investigating. They found that sulfites could indeed cause severe reactions in sensitive individuals. By the late 1970s, the FDA issued guidelines recommending that sulfites be listed on food labels, but it was still voluntary at that point. Fast forward to 1986. Persistent health concerns and public pressure led the FDA to mandate that any food or beverage containing more than 10 parts per million, ppm, of sulfites must include a "Contains Sulfites" warning on the label. This was a big move to protect consumers with sulfite sensitivities. So, how does the US actually regulate sulfites in wine? The FDA's 1986 mandate applies to all food and beverages, but the Alcohol and Tobacco Tax and Trade Bureau, TTB, oversees wine specifically. The TTB adopted the FDA's guidelines, ensuring that wines with more than 10 ppm of sulfites must display the warning label. The wine industry had to adapt quickly. Winemakers adjusted their practices to meet these new regulations. Some even explored ways to reduce sulfite usage. However, sulfites remain essential for many winemaking processes, from preventing spoilage to maintaining flavor. Today, the Contains Sulfites label is a critical part of consumer protection. It helps individuals with sensitivities make informed choices. Over the years, public education has led to greater awareness and understanding of sulfite labeling. Did you know? The European Union also mandates sulfite labeling, but with a twist. From December 2023, EU wines must include a full list of ingredients and allergens, including sulfites, if they exceed 10 ppm. They even use QR codes for detailed information. So the next time you see "Contains Sulfites" on your wine bottle, you'll know it's not just a random warning. It's a part of a global effort to keep you informed and safe. Cheers to knowing what's in your wine. Thanks for joining us on this wine journey. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more wine wisdom. Comment below with your thoughts and questions about sulfites, and let us know what other wine topics you'd like us to cover. Until next time, cheers!